Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to connect your Godaddy domain to Gohighlevel. Connecting a custom domain helps us use branded URLs for our funnels and websites, making our business look more professional and trustworthy. Let's get started. In Gohighlevel, we go to Services. Now, click Email Services. When we click Email Services, we wait for it to load. Next, we create a dedicated domain. We choose our domain. For this example, we select a domain, add it, and verify. Now continue. Let's open the NS records to check the records. Here, we can see the host, TXT, and CNAME records. Now let's go to Godaddy. In the Godaddy portfolio, we need to go to our website. Select the website and click the DNS. Now, we are in the DNS viewer. Let's add a new record by clicking this Add New Record. We will add a subname. Here is our subname. Click this subname, then copy the name, paste it, and leave one space. Go back to get the values. For this example, we copy the value and paste it here. The value is mailgun.org. Once finished, click Save. Please wait 30 minutes to 1 hour for the DNS records to activate. Sometimes, it can take up to 48 hours for global activation. After setting everything up, remember to test the domain and allow time for DNS propagation.